Oh, we got audience. Hi guys, welcome to today's show, The Cycle Show. It's your host, Buddy Cruz, and in today's episode, we will talk about the phosphorus cycle. You might be asking, what is phosphorus, or why does it sound so boring? It all begins with the rock. Not that rock, but rocks that are considered sediments, which are the inorganic reservoir of the cycle. But first, why do we even need phosphorus? It sounds so boring. Well, if you recall, phosphorus is one of the atoms that makes up the molecule called ATP. Through the process of cellular respiration, the mitochondria in cells are able to produce adenosine triphosphate, which contains phosphate. Another important molecule that requires phosphorus is DNA, as well as RNA nucleic acids. DNA is made up of small parts called nucleotides, and in it are sugar molecules with a nitrogen base, which also contain, you guessed it, a phosphate molecule. So we can say that the phosphorus is an important factor to the genetic development of life. So say it with me, phosphorus.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good, you understand.
Yes.
Now that you have a general understanding of what phosphorus is, I'll let my colleagues demonstrate exactly how the cycle works.
Weathering of uplifted rocks contribute phosphate to the land. Some phosphates make their way back to the ocean or other environments.
Phosphate fertilizer applied to fields can run off directly into streams and become part of a soil pool, or can be absorbed by plants.
Excretion by animals and decomposition of both plants and plants release phosphates on land and on water. The pathway of movements. Phosphate moves quickly through plants and animals, but moves very slowly when traveling through water and soil, making the phosphate cycle one of the slowest biological processes to ever occur in the cycle. Humans affect the phosphorus cycle mainly by the use of fertilizers and raising livestock. Fertilizer and hog waste are high in phosphorus levels, which make it way into the soil and due to runoff in water. Another factor is the use of detergents, many of which contain sodium triphosphate, or STPP for short. The phosphate in STPP, the use of which has been severely curtailed due to environmental regulations, which can lead to algal blooms in water, which kill fish and other plants in near water.
The dissolved phosphates precipitate out of solution and contribute to the ocean's sediments. Conversion of the sediments into phosphate rocks, which is a very slow process. Geologic forces can slowly lift up phosphate rocks from the ocean floor to form, as you can see, mountains.
You guys over here. Well, did you guys understand anything? Did you guys learn something new? Yes or no? Okay, good. Well, that's all we have for today, folks. I hope you guys learned something new, and I hope to see you guys on our next episode, which will be about the nitrogen cycle. Other than that, I'll see y'all later.